Hi, I'm Choi, and this paper is about long-term tracking focused on robustness. We adopt the pre-trained short-term tracker as a baseline which combines PR-DiMP and DiMP. And we add a naive random search redetection network. The main contributions are threefold: uncertainty reduction, random search with spatio-temporal constraint, and background augmentation. Firstly, the robust model should track the target consistently whenever we remove some regional background. So, we correct the tracking state according to the consistency after random erasing. Secondly, to prevent sudden detection of the similar object, we penalize the confidence score through the spatio-temporal constraint. Finally, synthesizing various backgrounds with the target image makes the model robust against the background clutter. We achieved the highest score in the recall metric, which means that our tracker is well modeled to be robust. Thank you for listening to my presentation.